Do you want to make more money from affiliate marketing? Hello everyone, I am Shubhamjeet Kumar, and in this video, I will tell you the three secrets through which you can make more money from affiliate marketing. And before we jump in, I want to wish you a very happy Dasara. May God bless you, may this universe bless you with a lot of success, peace, and prosperity. So, let's jump in. So, the first secret to make more money from affiliate marketing is niche clarity. But now, the most common question is, what is a niche? In simple words, a niche is a small segment of a large market. For example, if fashion is large market, then women's watches is a niche. If technology is large market, then Python programming for beginners is a niche. So let's say if the large market represents a cake, then a niche is a slice of that cake. So if you're still confused about your niche, ask yourself these three questions. Number one, what do you love to do? What is that one thing that you can do for hours without getting tired? Once you have answered that question, answer the second question, which is, does it help people? For example, if you love Python programming, then ask yourself the second question, does it help people? And if you research, you'll find that many students, freshers, want to learn Python programming. So yes, it does help people. And the third question you should ask yourself is, can it make me money? Let's say you love Python programming, you know that it helps people, and then you need to find if it will make you money. Okay, so talking about Python programming, if you search on the internet, there are many people, many freshers who want to learn Python programming. So if you can help them to get better at Python programming, they will pay you to get trained. Okay, so if you answer yes to question 2 and question 3, then you can definitely choose that thing that you love as your niche. Okay, now the second secret to making more money from affiliate marketing is lead generation. Now, what is a lead? In simple words, let me take back to an experience. Suppose you visit a website. On the website, you go through the home page and a couple of pages, and then you see on the home page you see a form asking for your name and email. You find the website attractive, you see that it will help you, so you enter your name and email. Okay, as soon as you hit submit or register, you get an email from that particular website or that company. So what you have done is, by giving your name and email, you have become their lead. And when you become somebody's lead, or when you gather leads, you can promote your products and services and educational resources through email marketing. Okay, so if you have to generate leads, there are a few steps. So I've broken down the process into 5 steps. The first step is to create a lead magnet. Now, what is a lead magnet? In simple words, if you have visited any website and you have entered your name and email, it is in exchange for something for free. It could be a PDF, an ebook, a checklist, a free course, a free service, or any other lead magnet. Okay, so a lead magnet is something which the companies or you can give for free in exchange of people's names and emails. Okay, so uh, if you want to create a lead magnet, these are the options, but you can try many other things. I've written a blog post on the topic. I've placed the link in the description box. You can click the link and read all the types of lead magnets that you can create to collect leads. Okay, so once you have created a lead magnet, the second step is to create a lead form. You have created a lead magnet. Perfect. Now you have to create a lead form where you'll capture name, emails, and probably phone number. Okay. You can use a service like Moosend. I've recorded a video on it. I'll place it in the I button. You can go to Moosend, create a lead form, and once you create a form, the next step or third step is to create a landing page. You have a lead magnet, you have a form. Now create a landing page where you'll say about the service that you're promoting. And once you create a landing page, within that landing page you integrate the form. Okay, so create a landing page, place the form, and link the form to the lead magnet. Okay, so when people visit your landing page, they'll fill the details, click submit, And if you link the lead magnet to the lead form, as soon as they submit the form, they will get the lead magnet into their emails. Okay. And once that is done, you only need to promote this landing page. Okay. So the process is quite simple. Create a lead magnet, then create a form, create a landing page, then integrate the form to the landing page and lead magnet to the form. Okay. And then promote the page. To create a lead form, you can go to sites like Moosend. I've placed it in the I button. You can watch the video and see how to create a lead form or even a landing page using Moosend. Okay. So that was step number 2. That was secret number 2, lead generation. Now the third secret is to generate traffic. Without traffic, you'll never be able to make sales or make commissions. Okay. So if you want to make commissions, you have to generate traffic. Okay. Now there are 2 sources of traffic generation. The first method is the free method. As the name says, for generating traffic through the free methods, you do not have to invest a single penny. Okay, so let's say you have a website and you want to promote your product. So through the free sources, you can generate traffic from Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, Spotify podcast, and your website. Okay, there are many other sources, but these are the main free sources of traffic that drive traffic to my products. Okay, and if you want to invest, you can invest in the paid sources of traffic. The paid sources of traffic are Google ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, buy sell ads, and influencer marketing. Okay, so if you want to invest, you can invest 500 or 600 rupees every day and run ads on these platforms or on either of these platforms to your affiliate products. Okay, so those were the 3 secrets to making more money from affiliate marketing. Now I want to ask you a question. The question is, do you want to make 1 lakh rupees per month or 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees additional per month? If yes, do you want to sell products just once and earn every month? You know, it is surprising, but there are products through which you can earn recurring commission, which means you sell once and you will earn every month. Surprising, but there are products like these. And inside my webinar, inside my live training, I will share the top 3 products that help me, earn regularly, earn recurring commission, which means I sell once and I earn for an entire year or maybe more. Okay, so if you want to know the products that you will sell just once and earn for an entire year or even more, click the link in the description box and register for my upcoming webinar. Okay, the link is affiliatemasteriehub.in/page/affiliate-income-secrets. Okay, so I've placed the link in the description box. Click the link, reserve your spot, and I will share the top 3 products that you will promote just once and earn for an entire year. Okay, so that's about this episode. In this episode, I shared the top 3 secrets of making more money from affiliate marketing, and towards the end, I shared the link to my upcoming webinar where I will share the top 3 products that I sell once and earn for an entire year and even more. Okay, so if this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. So that's about it. Once again, a very, very happy Dasera. Take care. May God bless you with prosperity, success, and peace. That's about this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.